When it's this hot out, you definitely don't feel like turning on the stove or the oven to cook. So here are some simple no-cook lunch ideas that are also good for you. The website Eat This put these together. The first up on the list, turkey and cheese wraps. You just need 4 ingredients: lettuce, tomato, cheddar cheese, and sliced turkey. Replacing a regular wrap with lettuce instead of a tortilla helps you cut more than 200 calories. How does this one sound? Tuna salad stuffed avocado. Ooh, I like it. For this one, you need canned tuna, red pepper, tomato, and avocado. You just scoop out the avocado right in the center and then load it up with your favorite tuna salad recipe. Add the peppers and the tomato on top for just a little color and crunch, and you're good to go. This next one is a bean salad that will keep you feeling full for hours. It's made with chickpeas, green beans, kidney beans, olive oil, dill, and just a little lemon juice. The beans are packed with a digestion-slowing fiber, especially if you use kidney beans. And there's no need to put them on the stove here. You can just use canned beans right from your pantry. If bean salads aren't your favorite, try using it maybe as a mix for a topping on just a regular salad. The last dish, a berry quinoa bowl. Use any berries you like: goat cheese, quinoa, spinach, and a little balsamic vinegar. Toss them all together, and this is a really healthy lunch. Quinoa is a really good protein, and berries are rich in fiber, so you'll stay full longer. That looks good. Is it lunchtime yet?